चलिए, so बच्चों आप भी रेडी हो जाओ. आई एम गोइंग टू शूट अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. लेट्स सी हु आंसर्स फर्स्ट.
Okay, do I need to take it down? Are they tough questions? Should I need to take it down?
नहीं, आप तो वर्बली कर लेंगे, आई एम श्योर.
नहीं. अब आप मुझे डरा रहे हैं. Okay.
चलिए, तो लेट मी स्टार्ट विद अ क्वेश्चन. बच्चों ध्यान से सुनना आप लोग भी. ओके, सो 50 minutes ago, if it was 4 times as many minutes past 3 o'clock, फिर से बोलता हूँ, 50 minutes ago, if it was 4 times as many minutes past 3 o'clock, how many minutes is it to 6 o'clock? Okay, मैं फिर से बोलता हूँ, 50 minutes ago, 50 मिनट पहले, if it was 4 times as many minutes past 3 o'clock, 3 बजे के past, how many minutes is it to 6 o'clock? 6 बजे से पहले कितने मिनट्स है अभी? आंसर बच्चों एंड शकुंतला देवी.
26 minutes.
Bingo! Awesome! That's the answer. 26 minutes. बच्चों किया आप लोगों ने कि नहीं किया? चलो मेथड आपको बाद में बताएंगे इसका. इट्स अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, थोड़ा लेवल आगे बढ़ाते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बच्चों, ऑल ऑफ यू. Supposing a clock takes 7 seconds to strike 7. Okay, ध्यान से सुनना बच्चों. A clock takes 7 seconds to strike 7. How long will the same clock take to strike 10? एक क्लॉक को 7 सेकंड लगता है स्ट्राइक करने में 7 को, तो कितना टाइम लगेगा उस क्लॉक को 10 को स्ट्राइक करने में? So I see a few answers here. Divyank 10:40. Aman 3 hours 10 minutes. Let's see. Yes, Shakuntala Devi ji.
I'm not so sure, but I think it's 10.5 seconds.
Yes, that's the answer. Amazing. 10.5 seconds is the right answer.
Great.
Awesome.
Did anyone else get it correct?
Yes. I'm seeing 3 minutes. किसी ने 3 hours पे लिखा है, 10 seconds, 1089. Lots of answers, but I think you are the fastest to get it 10.5. Awesome.
Thank you.
चलो, great.
Just don't tell them that I'm much older than them.
So and as we all know, right, learning की कोई एज नहीं होती, और इनफैक्ट हम जैसे लोगों का दिमाग तो थोड़ा सा डिक्लाइन पे है, बट these kids here, their brain is learning very fast. And guys, all of you, your brain is in the learning zone. बहुत सारे न्यूरॉन्स आपके दिमाग में फटाफट कनेक्शंस बना रहे हैं, तो सीखते जाओ, पढ़ते जाओ और लाइफ में आगे बढ़ते जाओ, राइट? तो चलो उसी पे एक और क्वेश्चन पे आगे जाएं. ये थोड़ा सिंपल है बच्चों. आई वांट योर आंसर टू बी फास्टर देन शकुंतला देवी नाउ. चलो, let me go. So there is a number which is very peculiar. और क्या peculiarity है उसकी? This number is 3 times the sum of its digits. This number is 3 times the sum of its digits. Can you find me the number? Yes,
I got it.
yes.
Should I say it?
Yes.
27.
Of course, awesome. क्या बात है, गजब. बच्चों, time's up for all of you. Okay, great job. Yes, 27. 2 plus 7 and into 3 is 27. Yes, good to see the answers. Amazing. So it was absolutely fantastic. लगता है आप काफी रिवीजन और काफी प्रिपेयर करके आई हैं वैसे.
ये फिल्म मेरे लिए एक रिवीजन थी.
This was amazing. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Thank you.
The other side. So before we move on to the next section, बच्चों, अगर ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स आप लोगों को सॉल्व करनी है, so we have a very popular course for you, TurboMath, right? We'll give you the details about that course to you towards the end of the session, where we teach you lots of techniques like Vedic maths, Singapore maths, with which you can learn to do very fast calculations. So TurboMath के बारे में details towards the end of the session. ठीक है? चलिए, so थोड़ा सा आपके बारे में भी जानते हैं. So when you were doing this role, when you were preparing for it, So, were there any fond memories of your schools which came to you, which sort of came alive to you, in comparison to Shakuntala Devi's childhood as well?
Not in terms of her. Of course, her father used to get her to practice maths every day, even though she did not go to school. And my parents used to make me practice my tables, practice maths all the time. Both my sister and me. वैसे मेरी sister बहुत बदमाश है. She's 4 years older than me. तो वो किसी ना किसी तरह बहाने बना के निकल जाती थी. But I used to love to write down tables. I used to just love to solve, maths sheets. Just because practice makes perfect. And like I told you, despite that, कभी-कभी जल्दी में गलत हो जाता था या कभी जल्दी में गलत लिखने में वो अनटाइडी होने की वजह से वो कभी मार्क्स मेरे चले जाते. पर I used to enjoy. So when I was doing this film and I was just thinking of how my mother used to teach us tables. It was a sing-song way in which she taught us tables, because of which we would remember the tables more easily. So these are the other things that I was reminded of, how she used to make me just for example, if I was learning history, she would ask me to pick up one word from an answer that would make me remember the entire answer. Just like it's a cue card. So when that question is asked to you, you make points. This. How do I give you an example? Pulkit, maybe you will be able to help. Did you get what I was trying to say? It's about making life simpler for yourself.
Exactly.
Like when you're making a speech sometimes, you write down some points so that you don't miss out on them. Similarly, for answers, you pick out one word or one thought and make points of that. So the moment someone asks you that question, that entire answer will form in your mind. But most importantly, I'll say this 1,000 times, it's very necessary to understand what you're studying. Otherwise, there's no point. If you don't understand it, you'll forget it very soon. The idea is not just to remember it for the exams, not just for those numbers, like Pulkit said, that are your marks. In life, you should be able to remember these things.
Exactly. Thanks a lot for this deep insight. So, bachcho, can you see this amazing thing? So, Vidya Balan is an amazing, versatile actress. And हम सबको लगता है राइट कि एक्ट्रेसेस की लाइफ में क्या होता है एंड व्हाट डिड दे डू व्हेन दे वर ग्रोइंग अप. So it's so heartening to see that you also loved mathematics when you were growing up. You struggled with it. You struggled with a lot of things, but you went ahead. हम सबके साथ होता है ये बच्चों. तो आप अकेले नहीं हो, आप अलग नहीं हो. हम सब स्ट्रगल किए हैं बचपन में. हम सब ने पढ़ने के तरीके ढूंढे हैं. We found ways to make learning interesting for ourselves. क्योंकि उसके बिना पढ़ाई होती नहीं है बच्चों. केवल एग्जाम के नंबरों से पढ़ाई मत करना. एंजॉय करने के लिए पढ़ाई करना, लर्निंग को एंजॉय करने के लिए पढ़ाई करना. दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इन लाइफ. एंड एक और चीज याद रखना कि व्हेन यू ग्रो अप इन टुडे व्हाट यू आर लर्निंग, यू मे नॉट अप्लाई दैट इन द रियल लाइफ, but that process of learning will always stay with you. So for example, isn't it amazing to see Vidya Balan do the role of Shakuntala Devi, and all those childhood learnings actually came together for her to be able to. आप बताइए एज एन एक्टर और व्हाटएवर, मे बी मैथ्स में भी कुछ सीखा हुआ है आपने तो.
As an actor, as a public figure, as a lifelong student, I think what I've learned is believe in yourself at all times. And when you love yourself and you believe in yourself, discipline is a reflection of that. So you will always be disciplined when you respect your own time. Like when in the beginning of my career, I used to not really prepare. I'm not a trained actor. So I didn't know how to prepare for a role. I didn't know that, it's better to talk about the role, the scene, the film, the story beforehand with the director. Sometimes I would feel shy to ask because I'd think, am I asking a stupid question? So I would not ask. But on set, I'd go and then I'd spend a lot of time, you know, asking the director ये कैसे करना है, वो कैसे करना है, and then what would happen? सेट पे तो शूटिंग होती है, तो उस वक्त बहुत कम वक्त होता है to do the scene. हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है, you know, and one day we are going to shoot one scene, वो सीन खत्म करना है, तो उस वक्त आप सवाल पूछते रहेंगे, तो उनके जवाब मिल भी गए आपको, तो वो जवाब समझने में वक्त लगता है. You don't get that time to understand and process. So I started realizing the value of preparation and discipline. I started reading my scripts much before the shoot. I started